Can you please move it for me?
What? Another one?
Yeah.
You just had one. You need to wait a minute.
Anybody know CPR?
Oh my God, what happened? What happened, Christopher?
I found her in the spa.
Madison 62 respond on a drowning 5092 Schaefer, 5092 Schaefer, cross up 4th. As this will be a 6-year-old female that was responsive in a swimming pool. Fire Command 1.
Not breathing? No pulse.
Oh my God!
Start CPR. Right behind you. Start CPR. CPR. Behind you.
Drowning is a silent killer that can take a child's life in seconds. Fortunately, there are steps you can take to protect your family from a tragedy like the one you just witnessed. Hi, my name is Arnie Clement. I'm an engineer with Chino Valley Fire District.
And my name is Maciel de Guevara. I'm the Public Information Officer for Chino Valley Fire. We're here to talk to you about the importance of learning the ABCs of pool safety.
The A stands for Active Adult Supervision. During social gatherings, events, and any other time a child is near or around water, assign one or more adults to supervise them. Be sure that you are within arm's reach of children you're supervising and that you have visual contact with them at all times. Do not let yourself become distracted by a phone call or by talking with friends. If you're on the phone, reading, or talking with friends, you are not actively supervising the children in or around water.
The B stands for barriers. A four-sided isolation fence, door alarm, pool cover, and/or safety net are proven examples of effective barriers that keep children out of swimming pools and spas. The best protection is to layer many of the barriers so that if one fails, there's another one in place. Remove toys from swimming pools, spas, and bathtubs when not in use, as children may try to retrieve them and fall in. Also, keep furniture away from pool fences so that children cannot use them to climb over. It's important to remember that no barrier is 100% effective and should never replace active adult supervision.
The C stands for classes. Taking classes to learn CPR and first aid can greatly improve a person's chance of survival. The Chino Valley Fire District offers CPR and first aid classes to the public. Sign up on our website and learn these life-saving skills. Also, enroll your child and yourself in swimming classes. A good swimming program will teach children and adults alike important safety rules and a love and respect for the water. Look for places that offer adult and child swim lessons so that the entire family knows how to swim. Drowning is quick and oftentimes silent. It can happen to people of all ages and doesn't always take place in a swimming pool. Always be aware and vigilant when in or around water and practice the ABCs of pool safety.
For more information, visit our website or our Facebook page. And remember, together, we're partners in safety.